What's up guys, in this video I'm going to go over the last two things that I sold off of the K from being NA to boost. First thing is fuel pump and the cold air intake. Had to get rid of the fuel pump because it's not going to give me the amount of fuel that I'm going to need. And the second thing was my cold air intake. Obviously not going to need that anymore. And I finally made an intro, so I'll be playing that in the first few seconds of the video. And I decided to name kind of my YouTube channel Garage Built Ks. So let me know what you think about that. Put a little comment in the bottom. Kind of the explanation. So you got plug in here, you're gonna have the hose there. I'll take that off. You got two clamps and you have a ground here, and then this is where it sucks up all the gas, so that goes in there. That's mounted that way. That's gonna be that plug there, so it sits in the tank like this. Well, I pushed it back in the garage. That could have been a lot easier. Alright, so I got cold air intake out. I have the 255 fuel pump out. There that is. Today is one of the first days in Minnesota where we don't have negative 20-degree weather. It's almost 40 degrees currently, so I can actually be out here and work on stuff.